Hello, Susie Kins, and hello, Susie Gwins. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me as a head of the Sushi Buffet. And I am your Trouble Sushi. Alright guys, welcome back to another review today here guys. So guys, please, give this channel really high today anyways. Thank you. Give me to 1 million subscribers and give me a block on YouTube. So guys, we need you guys are doing that. Please go, also subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and turn your post notifications because I want you guys to follow us Sushi's videos, the King Sushi's videos. The King Sushi originals. So guys, we need you guys are doing that. Come on. So into this video today. So I am amazing. No words. So today's dinner. So last night my parents I started saying today be science or not. And then after that, they agreed today. So we're having this without sushi. That's alright, because if I be here, that's me. I'll get the whole thing. So that's why I ate all of this. Oh yeah, boys. So you guys ready? Let's go. We're gonna do this today. And what's your favorite Chinese restaurant or Chinese food? Never see the comments below. Alrighty, let's dive in right here. Rice. Chicken. Now, egg roll. So fire, and that is it guys here. What's going on today? I wasn't frozen on weepy at both of times because I love Disney. And I'm done at NXT, so I'll do a review after this dinner here. And then after that is done, SmackDown in 2026. Let's go. Happy 2026 to the guys. Happy New Year's. And guys, look for my platforms. And that's what guys, yo. So stay tuned. I will go say sushi yeah, sushi away, sushi away, sushi give me joy. Sushi habits with now. And 4 letters. 1 word. Yay. It's what you have to say this for life. One day we are out.